calcium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining strong bones, teeth, and overall health. For decades, milk and other dairy products have been championed as the primary sources of calcium, especially in Western diets. However, with the growing popularity of plant-based diets, more people are turning to plant sources of calcium. This shift has sparked a debate. Is plant calcium better than milk? Plant-based calcium is a great alternative for those who are lactose intolerant or have milk allergies, offering a way to fulfill calcium requirements without causing digestive discomfort. Unlike dairy, plant-based calcium sources are often lower in saturated fats and cholesterol, making them a heart-friendly option. Foods such as leafy greens and nuts not only provide calcium but are also packed with fiber and antioxidants, which contribute to overall health and help reduce inflammation. Moreover, plant-based sources generally have a smaller environmental footprint compared to dairy farming, which contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions and land use. Additionally, conventional dairy farming often involves the use of hormones and antibiotics, raising concerns for consumers seeking natural or organic choices. For these reasons, plant-based calcium is considered a healthier and more sustainable option than cow's milk. Here are 10 foods that offer more calcium than a glass of milk, based on the Eating Well article. 1. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, including calcium. 1 ounce of chia seeds, about 2 tablespoons, contains around 179 milligrams of calcium, which is more than a standard glass of milk. In addition to calcium, chia seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a versatile addition to smoothies, oatmeal, or baked goods. 2. Tofu. Tofu, especially when made with calcium sulfate, is an excellent plant-based source of calcium. A half-cup serving of tofu can provide up to 860 milligrams of calcium, significantly more than the 300 milligrams found in a glass of milk. Tofu is also rich in protein and iron, making it a nutritious and versatile food that can be used in stir-fries, soups, or even as a meat substitute. 3. Sardines. Sardines are a fish rich in calcium, particularly when consumed with the bones, where most of the calcium is stored. A serving of 3 ounces of canned sardines contains about 325 milligrams of calcium. Sardines are also high in vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for heart and brain health. Including sardines in salads or on toast can be an easy way to boost your calcium intake. 4. Collard greens. Collard greens are leafy greens packed with nutrients, including calcium. A single cup of cooked collard greens provides approximately 268 milligrams of calcium. Collard greens are not only rich in calcium but also contain vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 5. Fortified plant-based milk. Many plant-based milks, such as almond, soy, or oat milk, are fortified with calcium. These fortified drinks often provide just as much, if not more, calcium than cow's milk. 1 cup of fortified almond milk can contain about 450 milligrams of calcium. Plant-based milk options are also typically lower in saturated fats and cholesterol compared to dairy milk. 6. Amaranth. Amaranth, an ancient grain, is a lesser-known source of calcium. A cup of cooked amaranth provides around 116 milligrams of calcium. This grain is also high in protein, iron, magnesium, and fiber. Amaranth can be used as a base for porridge, in salads, or even baked into bread for a nutrient-rich meal. 7. Bok choy. Bok choy, or Chinese cabbage, is an excellent plant-based source of calcium. When cooked, 1 cup contains about 158 milligrams of calcium, making it a nutrient-dense addition to your diet. Bok choy is also packed with vitamins A and C, which are vital for immune function and eye health. Its mild flavor makes it versatile in many dishes, from stir-fries to soups or even as a simple side dish. 8. Almonds. Almonds offer a satisfying, nutrient-dense way to boost calcium intake. A 1-ounce serving, equivalent to about 23 almonds, contains roughly 76 milligrams of calcium, providing a substantial contribution to daily calcium needs. Though almonds may not match leafy greens in calcium content per serving, they stand out for their other health benefits. Almonds are rich in heart-healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels, in LDL, and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are also a good source of fiber and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative damage and supports skin health. In addition to their calcium and nutrient content, almonds are an excellent snack for sustaining energy levels due to their combination of fats, fiber, and protein. Whether enjoyed on their own, added to smoothies, or incorporated into baked goods, almonds offer a versatile and tasty way to increase calcium intake while supporting overall health. Their nutritional profile also makes them a popular choice for those following plant-based or heart-healthy diets, as they deliver essential nutrients in a convenient, portable form. 9. White beans. White beans, including navy and cannellini varieties, are an excellent plant-based source of calcium and other vital nutrients. A single cup of cooked white beans provides about 161 milligrams of calcium, which is significant for bone health and muscle function. White beans are also high in fiber, which supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and helping to maintain healthy cholesterol levels. In addition to fiber and calcium, these beans are packed with plant-based protein, making them a valuable component of a balanced diet, particularly for vegetarians and vegans. White beans can be easily incorporated into a wide range of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and casseroles. Their mild flavor and creamy texture allow them to blend seamlessly into recipes while adding a nutritional boost. Furthermore, their iron content helps prevent anemia and supports the production of red blood cells, making white beans an excellent choice for maintaining overall health. By including white beans in your diet, you not only enhance your calcium intake but also benefit from a rich source of fiber, protein, and essential minerals. 10. Figs. Figs, particularly dried ones, are a delicious and nutrient-dense way to increase your calcium intake. Half a cup of dried figs contains approximately 121 milligrams of calcium, making them a sweet and convenient option for those looking to boost their calcium levels. Figs are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, figs are rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which help protect the body against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Incorporating figs into your diet is simple and versatile. They can be eaten on their own as a snack, added to salads for a sweet contrast, or used in baked goods like cookies and cakes. Figs also pair well with savory ingredients such as cheese and nuts, making them a popular addition to charcuterie boards and appetizers. Their natural sweetness and nutrient profile make figs an excellent choice for those seeking a calcium-rich food that also provides fiber and antioxidants. If you like this content and find it useful, please give us a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel. We would also love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below.